Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you 5 top tips on how to carry out a successful demolition. Tip number 1, guys, make sure you appoint the right contractor for the job. Okay, at the back we have a 24-ton digger that did the job in a heartbeat. Okay, if you appoint a contractor that hasn't got the right equipment, it takes longer and therefore you end up paying more money. Okay, make sure the contractor has the right equipment and the right experience for the job. Tip number 2, make sure the contractor has professional and liability insurance cover for the work that he's about to perform for you. So make sure that the insurance cover demolition works, because if something happens, then you might be liable as a client. Tip number 3 now, make sure before you start the demolition works, you carry out what is called an RMD survey. RMD survey is basically detailed survey of what are you going to demolish. So what they do in the survey is they take samples of every single part of the existing structure for analysis. And if they find asbestos or any other contaminants, then you need to dispose that following the rules and regulations. If you fail to do that, you might be in trouble. So make sure that you get an RMD survey before you even appoint the contractor, so you know exactly what you need to demolish. At the back, I did that. I paid a consultant to do that, and we found asbestos, right? So I knew exactly how much asbestos we had to get rid of, and I priced that accordingly with the main contractor. 4 tip, make sure you have scope of works that is as accurate as possible. Okay, write down exactly what you need for your works. For an instance, if you have contamination in the site, make sure that it's part of your scope of works to remove all contamination from site, and they give you all the transfer notes. Important for you to protect yourself in that, and then you have no extra cost if the scope of the works is not detailed enough. Last tip, guys, tip number 5, make sure you inform the council of the demolition taking place, especially if the demolition is on a terrace house when you have neighbors next door. You need to make sure that the council is informed, and even in that scenario, you might need to get a party wall surveyor involved to allow you to do any such work. Demolition is complicated, it can affect other neighbors, and you need to be protected from all eventualities. I hope you enjoyed those 5 tips on how to carry out a successful demolition, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.